Hey there, I'm Chris.
And I'm Ben.
And we are with Swartz Restoration. We are here in DeGraff, Ohio to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or your business, we are here to help. Maybe it's a leaky faucet that saturates your floor. Maybe it's a supply line on your dishwasher or your washing machine that breaks and it soaks down to the basement. Maybe it's your sump pump backing up. Or maybe a storm rolls through the area and your home is left with all sorts of water damage. We are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our heart, our goal to care for people that are going through these different types of disasters. So if you find yourself in one of these disasters, feel free to call our office at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or visit us on our website at swartzrestoration.com.